Catherine Marine, 2 lessons that I learned from my father in English. I'm very sorry because that guy was very articulate to the point. So, in his words, I will tell you exactly. A year before I was employed with Deribot, and then I quit a bus one test. But I learned 2 important things, but they were in context into at that point in time. But I think these are important lessons to these 2. These are direct words. I will tell you exactly what he said in his own words. Because this is not my place in my own way. So I'll tell you, number 1, he said this, exactly this in English. In the context in Number 1 is, this is a lesson to you, Catherine Marie. He said this. Number 1, he said, Marshall, light showers they last longer than a sudden storm. In that regard, I told him, kuti mashi, uruwana udishi, marino yakawanda kuti wawina loto waita seiga, haizi marino yakukwira bus every day guys. Ndoinozi mari, because marino yambichana ndochi inochengeteka. In that context, I don't know that statement. A light storm lasts longer than a sudden storm. Amen. You contextualize it in anything that you want in this life. It will still work. That formula is correct. The eyes were direct from my father. This is Number 2, he said this. Mashi. If it wasn't shown, it was going to be easy. You know? We say this. If you want to learn to bark, you have to play with dogs. But if you want to learn to fly, play with eagles. I'm not going to I don't get a graph to Deribot. Now, whatever I rooms are who Bawa to Deribot, do I say? Who would I say? Why is it? So, lesson number 2 to you too. Lesson number 2. This is the lesson number 2. Yeah? If you want to bark, you have to play with dogs. That way you're going to, eventually you learn how to bark. But if you want to fly, you have to play with eagles. That tells us what I do.